Yo, how's it going? Got up on time today. Gonna oil up my filter on my 300SX, and we are headed to Skyline MX in Kuna, Idaho. Should be a good morning. Get some laps in. Let's go. I love no toil filter oil and cleaner because it's so easy to clean. You can do it in your kitchen sink. I'm gonna dry this filter out though. Wasn't very hot in the garage last night. A couple of shop towels. Just gonna bring her out into the. Make sure there's no moisture left. You don't want that going in the motor. Get my filter in, fill up the gas, and then check my chain tension, lube the chain, and then we'll get her loaded up. Go say what's up to Rick at Skyline. Good dude. I've been going to Skyline for a while. I think early 2019 when Rick first got it and opened it. Solid dude. Solid place to ride. If you're in the area, Kuna, Idaho, definitely a good destination if you want to ride. On the end of these, I usually just poke a hole right there in the foil and then watch this. Oh yeah. So much easier than trying to pour it out. It's like a squeeze bottle. And I'm telling you, dude, they give you, it comes with this, the filter cleaner, and then the seal around here. I don't think you need the seal stuff, but I use it just cause. But when you take your dirty filter out, throw it in some warm water with the cleaner, it's literally like, I don't know, a minute to clean it, and it comes out that clean. Like, it's so fucking easy. Bring the oil into there, make sure it's super saturated. And do another little coat. There we go. Got the basket. It's clean. Get your tabs in place. Throw some of this on there just cause. A lot of people say you don't need it, but why not, you know? A little added security here. Boom. Bam, bam, bam. Slide her in. Boom. Make sure it's seated all the way around. Gas, brake mix. There we go. On my KTM too, when I put this gas cap on, I always twist it back a couple rotations and then tighten it so that this thing doesn't get super twisted. Chain's a little loose, tighten her up. Good, about 3 fingers worth. Put that in there. My can of chain wax is a little fucked up. That's why I'm not just spinning the tire and spraying it. It leaks everywhere. So try not to make a mess, but still made a mess. Oops. All right. Now I'll check my air pressure and load her up. 13. There you go, 13.5. I'll leave her at 13. All right, we're good. 13.5 and 14 in the rear. Just let a little out when I get there, but chilling. Back my truck up, get the bike loaded. Truck's loaded. Got it done, everything done in 25 minutes. Not bad. Made it to Skyline. Oh, it looks good. A little smoky. Holding his wrist or arm. I did that before. Did 2 laps and broke my leg in half. Yikes. That's a shitty day, but pay to play. Fresh gear from the homies at Fly Racing. I actually worked there from 2018 to 2021. And pretty much all the gear from 2019 to 2023, I either designed or had a hand in designing, so keep showing them love, you know? Get my wrist brace on, because my wrist is jacked. That's how far I can bend it. So if it goes back farther than that, my day's over. Carbon fiber wrist brace. Carbon fiber. I love motocross, but it takes a long time to get out here and get all your shit on. Harleys, I just jump on the bitch and go ride it. But nothing better than riding a dirt bike. New Hex mountain bike motocross goggle from Electric. Pretty sick. Let's see. Got nice packaging here. Clear lens. Goggle bag. Might as well go check out the track. What's up, dude? Oh, how's it going?
Good. Where's the fam?
They didn't want to come.
Really?
Yeah. So, I came.
Have an AJ day.
Exactly. Get some laps in. Yeah.
It's deep.
Huh?
It's deep.
It's deep. Go try and make some lines, get nice and muddy.
Perfect.
Sweet. Did like 3-4 laps. Feel decent. Get a little arm pump. Hit this thing. Soften them up. Soften them up. Honestly helps a lot. I usually get warmed up and then come back, do this, stretch, get my legs loose. I'll go put in some harder laps, faster laps, but honestly I haven't been riding much lately, so I'm just trying to be smooth. Get in and out of the ruts and corners smooth. Just need to get my comfort back. I don't feel too bad though. The dirt out here right now is awesome. Like fucking 10 out of 10. You can make a line wherever you want, pretty much hauling ass. Not too wet, fucking perfect. I need to get back out there soon so that I can capitalize on the epic dirt. Get some good lines in. These green chrome lenses are killing it today. Got that amber base. Dude, let's see. You can see through there? I feel like I can see better. Nice. Oh yeah. Is that 500?
Yeah.
Woo, monster.
We'll see.
That thing looks sick.
It's fun.
Probably sounds super good.
Yeah, it's a bit of a handful when I actually have traction. Right now it's all like slick and shit.
Oh yeah. This thing's a handful for me, and I got 200 less cc, so I can only imagine. Alright, have a good one.
hangover always takes my breath away. Woo! God! Two in one lap? Jesus! Oh, the dirt is so nice. I need to go faster. Oh, baby. But I'm not charging into the corners like I need to. My corner entry speed sucks. So what I need to do is charge into the corner. That way when I'm sitting at the apex, I have enough momentum that it's going to smush the bike, compress the suspension into the rut, and I can power out through. Right now I'm kind of pussyfooting into the rut, going too slow, and then when I go to sit down, my bike's like falling over because I'm going too damn slow. So, I can pick it up. I can do it. My suspension needs a little adjustment too, but I forgot that tool, so I'm gonna have to rough it up, rough it out, stick it out. I don't know. That. Pretty good.
GoPro died, but just leaving Skyline. Epic day. I felt really good on the bike despite getting super tired every session, but it's all good. Once I start getting tired, just pull off, but it's feeling good. Getting ruts pretty dialed. Wasn't trying to whip it or nothing, just trying to get my comfort back, but I'm pretty hyped. That was a good day. Track was all time. Dirt was friggin' perfect. Thank you, Rick. Until next time, follow along. I'll be riding something. Like and subscribe. Thanks.